Okay, I wanted to include some more examples, but I put it in a separate video so that way it's not too much to watch at once and it doesn't take too long to upload. So let's just reiterate what you just saw. We're going to do rectangular prisms again. Remember, if they don't tell us what the bases are, like if they don't tell us it's the front and the back or the sides or the top and bottom, then we assume that it's going to be top and bottom. And I highlight the bases, so then that identifies my height for me, which is 7. Once we use it, we lose it. Then we want to find the perimeter of the base, so it's a rectangle, so 4 sides is 4 plus 4 plus 10 plus 10, that's 28. And then our area of the base is doing length times width of the base, so 4 times 10, which is 40. Now your questions today may ask for lateral, they may ask for total. So to be prepared for either, the formula for lateral is perimeter times the height, so 28 times 7, so that's 196. And then for total surface area, it is perimeter times the height plus 2 times the area of the base. So 28 times 7 plus 2 times 40, 276. The toughest one, in my opinion, is the triangular prism. This one happens to be one of the easier ones, but let me show you. So your bases for the triangular prisms are always your triangles. Okay, a lot of people like to assume it's top and bottom, but these triangles are not always going to be on the top and bottom. If you turn your rectangular or triangular prism on upright, then you can tell that the height is 8, or you can look at the shaded or the not shaded base or shaded faces. So the height is 8. Once you use it, lose it. To find the perimeter, we need the 3 sides of the triangle. In this case, they try to trick me a little bit, but they gave me 4, 3, and then the third side over here. So 5 plus 4 plus 3, 9, 10, 12. And then the area of the base, a little different than the one we saw prior in the prior video. We want to look for that capital L, which is that right angle. That tells me what 2 numbers I multiply, but it's not just length times width because it's a triangle, so it's 1/2 times length times width. So 0.5 times 4 times 3, which is 6. So be mindful of the area of the base. Don't forget the 0.5. Now the lateral surface area is just like the rectangular. It's perimeter times the height, so 12 times 8, which is 96. And then the total surface area is 12 times 8 plus 2 times 6. And so my total surface area is 108. So just be careful with triangular. The number 6 is a cylinder. Again, the cylinders are broken up with 2 formulas, not the same as triangular and rectangular, mainly because there is no such thing as a perimeter of a circle. The equivalent is circumference, which is why it's 2 pi RH. And then for the area of the base, instead of capital B, the area for a circle base is pi r squared. So that's the difference. These formulas will, of course, be given to you. First thing you want to check on number 6 is, did they give you the radius? And since they gave me the diameter, because it's all the way across the circle, my radius is not 10, so I made that mistake. You want to cut it in half, so my radius is actually 5. The height is 15. Now the lateral surface area is the shorter formula, 2 times pi times 5 times 15. And that, if we round to the tens place, is 471.2. Then the total surface area, a little longer formula, 2 times pi times 5 times 15 plus 2 times pi times 5 squared. Oops, don't know where that came from. And that's 628.3 when rounded to the tens place. So again, just more extra practice to get a little familiar with it.